Are you tired of conventional cooking methods that leave your meals lacking that special touch? It's time to revolutionize your culinary experience with this Power Air Fryer Rotisserie. This kitchen marvel combines the art of rotisserie roasting with the magic of air frying to give you succulent, flavorful dishes that are evenly cooked to perfection. In this review, we'll delve into why rotisserie roasting is a cut above the rest and why this Power Air Fryer Rotisserie deserves a spot in your kitchen. Rotisserie roasting, also known as spit roasting, has been a culinary favorite for centuries. The secret behind its success is the consistent turning of meat, basting it in its own flavorful juices, resulting in evenly cooked, succulent dishes. The Power Air Fryer Rotisserie brings this time-honored technique to your kitchen with modern precision and convenience. What sets the Power Air Fryer Rotisserie apart? Precision engineering. This appliance boasts heat sensors that precisely calibrate the required heat for each cooking cycle, ensuring consistent, even temperatures for tender, mouth-watering results. Unlike ordinary air fryers, it employs 360 degrees rapid air technology, evenly distributing heat from all angles, guaranteeing no more uneven cooking. The Power Air Fryer Rotisserie offers an incredible 9 cooking presets that provide you with unparalleled versatility. From serving up a whole rotisserie chicken for a weeknight feast to baking fresh bread, broiling salmon, or dehydrating jerky and fruits for snacks, this appliance can do it all. The included drip pan collects excess grease and oil for healthier cooking and easy cleanup, giving you guilt-free indulgence. With an intuitive LCD digital display panel featuring 10 preset cooking functions, this appliance is a breeze to operate. You can self-program your own recipes or simply press the preset button corresponding to your meal. Whether it's rotisserie, dehydrating, frying, baking, or reheating leftovers, the Power Air Fryer Rotisserie has got you covered. Plus, it can cook almost any meal straight from frozen, saving you precious time. A crystal-clear visible window built into the door lets you monitor your culinary creations as they cook to perfection. The extra-large Easy Grip handle ensures steady control and a secure grip, adding to your cooking confidence. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game and enjoy succulent, evenly cooked dishes that will amaze your taste buds, it's time to bring home the Power Air Fryer Rotisserie. Transform your kitchen into a culinary haven and experience the magic of rotisserie roasting in the comfort of your home. Get yours today and unlock a world of delicious possibilities.